Damn, bro, they are laying in it. Ooh, goddamn. Good hit. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna watch right side.
He's directly across.
Yeah, he's at the black thing, right?
Yep.
Okay. That sounded awful. That was somebody's gun, dude. They got a shot of my gun. Where the hell they at? There's also one behind their silo laying down. I'm dry.
Oh, hit!
Damn. There's one watching me on the triple spools on the right side. I just got one out on the black thing behind silo. Okay. Woo, get it. Yeah, they're watching it now. Yeah, I want to move up and drone you, can I?
Zach! You up?
I'm gonna go for it. What up, my guy?
Where they at?
They're on the left side mainly. Hey, I want to move up to that spool in front of us. Hey, is he still behind the black? Okay. Frag out! Oh, it went. Sorry, should be. Sorry. Alright, let's get it then. I think we're about to win this. I hit my gun, that was crazy. Woo, good hit. That's game!
So, it lands right there. I turn around and look at it and go, oh shit! I'm standing right
It's funny though, because they called it out on the right at first. I threw it, the wind barely took it this way. I was like, oh no! I know they're probably there
It
though.
was sitting right there. And actually, when it popped, even chunks of it hit me.
Yeah, that little BB's in
Wow,
it.
that was a fucking good ass throw.
That was awesome, bro.